Hello students, welcome to VTU Guru. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ 1BCHES102 ಅಥವಾ 202 ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರು, ಪ್ರಿವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರು, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಮೂರನ್ನು ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ವೈಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. First module, explain P-type and N-type organic semiconductors used in memory devices with examples. Explain the construction, working and advantages of pentasym semiconductor chip. Explain the synthesis of TiO2 ReRAM nanomaterial by sol-gel method. Mention its properties and applications. What are liquid crystals? Explain their classifications. Explain the construction, working and applications of OLEDs or else OLEDs. Explain the construction, working and applications of AMOLEDs or else AMOLEDs. Explain the construction, working and applications of QLEDs or else QLEDs. Differentiate between organic and inorganic memory devices. Explain the properties and applications of liquid crystal display materials. Compare LEDs, OLEDs, AMOLEDs and QLEDs. Next, Module 2. Explain the wet chemical synthesis of CDSE quantum dots and mention their applications. Explain the construction, working principle and application of QDSSCS. What is polymer? Explain number average and weight average molecular weight. Numerical problems on number average molecular weight, weight average molecular weight and polymer dispersity index. Explain the structure property relationship of polymers, all of this. Explain the synthesis properties and applications of nylon. Explain the advantages of nylon in 3D printing applications. Explain the synthesis properties and applications of PMMA. Explain the synthesis, conduction mechanisms and engineering applications of polyaniline. Discuss conducting polymers and their importance in smart electronic systems. Module 3. Explain the construction, working and applications of lithium-ion battery. Explain the construction, working and applications of sodium-ion battery. Explain the classification of batteries with suitable examples. Explain the construction, working and applications of solar photovoltaic cell. What are fuel cells? Explain the construction and working of solid oxide fuel cell. Differentiate between fuel cell and battery. Explain the production of green hydrogen using TiO2 photocatalytic water splitting method. Explain the construction, working and applications of supercapacitor. Explain Nernst equation and concentration cell. Numerical problems based on EMF calculation of concentration cell. Explain the construction and working of lithium-ion battery with neat diagram. Module 4. Define all of this. Explain the principal construction and applications of conductometric sensors. Explain the principal construction and applications of colorimetric sensors. Explain the principal construction and applications of electrochemical gas sensors for NOx and SOx detection. Explain the principal construction and working of biosensors for glucose detection. What is corrosion? Explain electrochemical theory of corrosion using iron as an example. Explain waterline corrosion with suitable diagram. Explain pitting corrosion with suitable diagram. Explain differential aeration corrosion. Explain methods of corrosion control, all of this. Define corrosion penetration rate. Numerical problems on corrosion penetration rate. Next, Module 5, last module. Explain green chemistry and applications of green solvents in server heat management. Explain the synthesis and properties of glycerol rheolate ester and its uses in IT infrastructure. Explain the green synthesis of ZNO nanoparticles and their properties. Explain the applications of ZNO nanoparticles in RFID and Internet of Nano Things. Explain the synthesis properties and applications of polylactic acid. Explain the uses of PLA in touchscreen applications. Explain the synthesis properties and applications of polyethylene glycol. Explain the synthesis properties and applications of alginate hydrogel. Explain the applications of alginate hydrogel in brain-computer interfaces. Explain the sources and composition of e-waste. Explain the effects of e-waste on environment and human health. Explain the role of artificial intelligence in e-waste management. Explain the extraction of gold from e-waste by bio-leaching method. Okay students, 5 module complete ಆಯಿತು. All the best for your exams. And ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್, ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.